Thank you so much for being here. So today we have our May 2019 Love Care box. So we're going to dive into this and see what May has in store. Whatever it is, it smells really good. I can smell it through the box. I literally just took off this outer packaging and I'm like, oh, it smells really good. So I do want to remind you guys, we do have the Luxury Divas giveaway going on, so you could win a free month. Whether you are an existing customer or not, you are eligible to win. All you have to do is follow the rules in the video. I will put that link down below. But for those of you that are not familiar with LuvCareBox, this is a monthly subscription that says enjoy your spa in a box, because that's essentially what it is. It's, you know, different lotions or body butters and scrubs and just all kinds of stuff to make you relax and feel great. And it is vegan and natural and handcrafted, which is fantastic. And I do have a coupon code that I will put down below where you can get your first box for only $29. It is usually $39.95, but that coupon code down below will get it for you for $29. So let's get in here and see what May 2019 is all about. Oh, it does smell so good. And the boxes are always so cute. You see like the hydrangeas or wisteria. I'm actually not sure what that is, but it's really pretty. And like the gold bunnies, it's just gorgeous. So here it says it's Spa Day, Love Care Box, May 2019. So I'm guessing it's Spa Day is the theme, so that's awesome. And the retail value is $49.94. So we do have everything here that tells us what is in here and the cost, so yay. And then right here on top we have a little variety of yummy treats. We have some sugar-free almond dark chocolate. We have some vanilla caramels, and then the Yum Earth organic strawberry sucker. So that's always nice to have a little yummy treat that you don't have to feel guilty about. So then you see this, and it says, "Hello, beautiful." So we are going to open it. But yeah, whatever's in here smells good. So this is what I see when I first open the box. So we do have some squigglies and it looks like a good variety of stuff. So the first thing catching my eye is this, because it's this pretty blue butterfly. Indigo Bath & Body Seagrass Dead Sea Salt Exfoliating Soap Bar. That smells good. This is a $7 value. It says, close your eyes and imagine the beach with fresh sage, the crisp, clean ocean breeze, backed by whitewash driftwood. This unique spa bar produces a lotion-like lather combined with sea salt for a gentle massage. This bar will leave your skin silky smooth, and this is from Indigo Soaps. So, it does smell really good. So there is that guy. And then, what is this? This is their brand. Love Shea Skincare is their brand. Floral Tropics Skin Souffle, and it is 7 ounces. Floral Tropics. It is sealed. Let's see what it says. It is a $15 value. Our in-house body souffle is a creamy whipped blend of plant-based oils with seductive floral and citrus fragrances. The ingredients are natural, vegan, phthalate, and paraben-free to moisturize dry skin. All right. I'm not going to open it and smell it right now because I have so many lotions open. I'm going to leave the safety seal on. But that is awesome. And then we have, oh, okay, and I think it may have been this box, but I'm not sure. I have gotten a candle from this company before. This is Sugar Bell candles. They're amazing. And this is Day at the Spa. And y'all know I love that it is in a mason jar, and we got some twine going on. Sugar Bell candles, Day at the Spa soy candle, 4 ounces, $8.95. Our mason jar candles are hand poured with soy wax and high quality fragrance oils and burns for 20 to 25 hours. They're decorated with an adorable daisy cut pewter lid, adding a bit of charm to the mason jar. The fragrance is calming and a balanced scent that combines notes of lemongrass and black currant with hints of patchouli and sugarcane. And again, this is from Sugar Bell Candles. So that is what the lid looks like. Oh, that does smell really good. And fresh. Yay. All right, so then we have, this is also from LuvCareBox, which is LuvCareBox. It's their brand. And this says fresh sheets, pillow, and linen spray. And this is 4 ounces. Pillow and linen mist spray, 4 ounces, $8. Our fresh sheets mist spray is soothing, relaxing with a sleep enhancing fragrance. Handmade, made in small batches, vegan, natural, refreshing. All right, so let's see what it smells like. I love a good linen spray. Oh, that smells amazing. I will be honest, I was wondering when it said a relaxing sleep enhancing fragrance if it was going to be like lavender. That's not what I smell. I just smell like fresh, just like sun-dried linen, cotton. It just smells amazing. Oh, I love that. All right, so then we have, this is from Yippee & Co. A sea salt and lotus blossom bath salt is 4 ounces, valued at $6. This tranquil blend of sea salt and lotus flower is sure to please with its bright notes signature of a magical ocean paradise. To use, add 2 heaping tablespoons to bath water and swish to activate bubbles. So, yay. It's a bubbling bath salt. And the description of this sounds amazing. So, yay for that. It looks like we have one more product in here. Yes. And this is it. And it is a brown bamboo toothbrush from Zero Waste Cartel, and it's valued at $4.99. Using bamboo toothbrushes is a natural toothbrush alternative to plastic toothbrushes. Thank you for making this small change in your daily routine to help reduce the plastic waste that washes up on beaches all over the world. 1 tree planted with every order. So that would be from Zero Waste Cartel. That is awesome. So let's take a look at a bamboo toothbrush. So this is what it looks like. So it is clearly bamboo. That is very interesting. The bristles are not too hard. I like that. I will give that guy a try for sure. So that was our LuvCareBox. It's Spa Day for May 2019. I don't know what I'm most excited about. We got some really good products. We got such a variety, which I think is fantastic. And, you know, that is one thing that I do really love about this subscription is you get a variety. So we had the sea glass soap. We had the bubbling bath salts. Obviously, the bamboo toothbrush. The Floral Tropics Skin Souffle. Just sounds luxurious. And then this really awesome smelling linen or pillow and linen spray that I just love and think smells fabulous. And then of course the candle that really does smell yummy from Sugar Bell Candles. And like I said, I don't know if it was this box or not, but I have gotten a candle from this company before and they are amazing. So, oh, and we had our little bag of treats. So let me know what you guys think down below. I will put that link down there in the description if you would like to sign up, as well as that promo code so you can get your box if you would like to sign up for $29. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.